In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to Wix website. By the end, you'll have your Wix site talking directly to Google Analytics so you can see where visitors come from and what they do on your pages. First, open your Google Analytics account in a browser where you're already signed in. From the main Analytics screen, look for the admin area. It's the gear icon in the lower left corner. Click that to open your property settings. In the admin panel, find and select Data Streams. This is where Google Analytics lists the places your data is coming from. You'll see your website listed as a web data stream. If you have more than one, choose the specific one that matches your site's domain. When the stream details open, look for the measurement ID near the top. It's the code that usually starts with the letter G followed by a dash and a series of characters. Click to copy that measurement ID. Keep it handy. You'll paste it into Wix in just a moment. Now switch to your Wix account. From the Wix dashboard for the site you want to track, go to Marketing and SEO. Scroll down the page until you find Marketing Integrations. Open that section, then choose Google Analytics. You'll see an option to connect your site. Click Connect, and when prompted, paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the field provided. Double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the code, as even a small typo can prevent tracking. Confirm and save your changes. That's the core connection done. When you return to Google Analytics, give it a little time to start receiving data. If your site has active visitors, you can open the real-time view to see if your connection is working. Keep in mind it can take several minutes for the first hits to show up, and general reports can take longer to populate. A few quick tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Make sure you're working on the correct property in Google Analytics and the correct site in Wix, especially if you manage multiple projects. If you don't see the Marketing Integrations option, check that you have the appropriate permissions for the Wix site. And if data doesn't appear right away, try visiting your own site in a fresh browser tab, then wait a bit and check the real-time report again. That's it. Your Wix website is now connected to Google Analytics. Save your settings, publish any pending changes on Wix if needed, and you'll be ready to measure your traffic and make smarter decisions for your site.